Over the last few years, I think as a company, we have grown quite dramatically, both domestically in India, but also internationally. With the new manufacturing facility, we are extremely excited and confident that over the next 5 years, we will grow our business exponentially. One of the main areas that we have been developing is not only our products but our systems. And at this moment in time, many clients are very impressed by how we can provide full design and supply solutions. For example, in India just now, we're also doing construction, and presently we have over 350 structures in India. Our large design team are very experienced due to these structures, and going forward as the International Technical Director, my team, our clients are actually seeing that we can provide very high-end, cost-effective solutions. I mean, at this moment in time internationally, we are working in South America, we're working in US, we're working in Europe. We have been developing rapidly in the Middle East, and also more recently, Asia, Vietnam, Cambodia, Philippines, and also in Australia and New Zealand. For the next 5 years, we were classically like a highways company, but more recently now we have moved into much larger private projects. We are developing rapidly in mining structures and in landfill. And the reason, there's a global push for sustainability. And one of the major developments, these are government developments, are that we are trying to reduce the use of rocks and aggregates, which would be traditionally used in like concrete structures, but even in our geosynthetic structures also. So the move for sustainability is a global problem, carbon footprint, etc. So one of the main aspects is when a client comes to us, say for example a mining client, they say, we have this poor quality soil. Normally we would just use this as waste. But now what we're saying is, look, you can use the waste material you have on your project site by the introduction of our Strata systems, our Strata grids, our Strata geocells. We can provide very high-end, cost-effective solutions. So this is the way, the long-term 5 years, we will definitely be a solutions-led company, and also our design team will be growing and growing. The construction is very much an Indian operation, but this confidence that we are giving to international clients, what, you're a manufacturer, you're a designer, but you're also a contractor. This gives, they understand that we have the experience to give them their solutions.